Sticker activity. Oh! Look. Oh, look, you put the stickers on here.
Wow.
Oh.
We're gonna be here a while.
It's done. It's bullets.
A gun with bullets. Wow.
The little gun.
Oh.
The little teeny gun.
Come on, man, stop picking your nose and start pulling that paper off.
What are those?
What is that?
Oh. They're magnet. You know the things that we put on the refrigerator and hold up your pictures?
Yeah.
They're magnets. You have to make them yourself. You like the paint?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you can have a big papa. A big magnet.
Oh, God. Yoda!
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, it's a cup. It's a cup and it's hot cocoa. So you can have your own chocolate milk or your hot chocolate in a cup. I'm going to take that for myself. Thank you.
You can have it, Mommy. Papa. Papa. You can have it, okay?
Okay.
Because Yoda's your friend.
Oh, Yoda's your friend.
Oh, he's a friend, not food. Could you imagine if you had to cook up Yoda? You nasty little meal. He lives in a swamp. Who knows what he's been eating?
What the hell is this?
Okay.
He would call it Yoda Sada.
A lot of guns.
Oh, this can't be for you.
Oh, that's mine. It has my name on it. It says Dason.
You don't get to eat gum.
Because he knows how many times he probably bought it for you, Phil.
Oh.
Oh!
I like that.
Oh! Stop it!
Need some batteries.
Alright.
He probably gave you all the gumballs so you don't have to keep bugging him at the barber shop for a quarter every time we go.
You can't stick all those in your mouth at one time.
Come on, man, pull that paper off. Let's go. You don't look very excited.
Yes. I'm excited.
Oh, I should have taken a picture.
What?
Let's sit down and take a picture of him.
What is this?
It's a yo-yo ball.
Yo-yo ball?
You know, like when you like to do the yo-yo? But it's a ball. See? Look.